What's up guys, Daniel here with another Amazon mystery box opening. We're going to see if we can make some profit on this mystery box by selling the items that we find inside on eBay and in my 7,500 square foot store, which you cannot see because we're in the back of it. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what we've got inside. Every box is different, they're all packed by Amazon. It's mostly new product. These are pretty interesting. They are Style Gaga, 80% spandex, 18% polyester, 1% polyurethane, made in South Korea. Interesting. Okay, well let's see if we can get a value on these. So this software that I use, we have developed it ourselves. It is specifically designed to process liquidation products, specifically Amazon mystery boxes. So what I can do is actually I'm going to scan this FN SKU. The FN SKUs don't have, they're Amazon's internal barcode system, and so I can't scan that and pull any information from it. I have to take a photo of the item and then have my AI decide what it is. So we're going to see if my AI can pick up what this is. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. There's not a lot for it to go by on this one. So crew socks. Alright, so it looks like it may have got this right. Let's just try to verify that over on Amazon. Style Gaga. I can't see it, so they look like socks to me, so I'm going to go with that. $8.99 seems like a good deal for my customers. $4.49 is what they'll be purchasing it for. And as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all phone cases. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pairs. Alright, so that's a pretty good start. So we're going to go ahead and put 14, and it's going into accessories. Sell them at $4.49 a pair, and I'll actually take one out of the packaging so we can have it as a display. So I'm going to go ahead and list that. So the system's going to automatically list it to my inventory manager, which is Square, and it's going to automatically print the labels for me as well. So let's see. So we're going to go ahead and put all these labels on real quick. Actually, I'm going to do it like that. For the sake of the video, I will do it after the video, so that you guys, I won't bore you with all that. Alright, so we're off to a solid start on this box. They've all been labeled, and we are currently at $62.86, and that is my take home after I sell it in the store. So these are accessories for, they're all for your keychains. I think it's to put yeah, Apple AirTags. So these are interesting. I actually sell something similar in my store, so this will probably go well. I might sell those for $5. So we'll call them AirTag key ring. AirTag key ring. So say electronics. Just put it at $10. Okay, so we're going to say we have 3 of them. There we go. And then they're going to hang up. They got a nice little hole to hang up on a peg. 3. Alright, so we do a whole bunch of category stuff, which is things that we process separately. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phone cases. And we found another one of these. So we're going to put in 5 phone cases there. And then we are going to add quantity of these little AirTag holders. It's going to automatically print my label. Okay, so they're good to go. Okay, those are interesting. Hair clips. So we're just going to go ahead and scan the FN SKU, take a photo of it so that the AI can go and get a price for us. And let's see what they come back with. I like to scan the FNSKU anyway, because next time we find this item, it'll find it. So $8.99 for a 4-pack, so that's good. So we're just going to list it at half of that. So $4.49, hair tools T2, yep. And we've got 2 boxes. So it's going to go 1 and 2. So now we're at $116 on this box. And again, that's my price. That is not retail. Retail is at least double that, but probably way more. These I do not mess with. They're vintage Mickey fireworks. Like this, I'll give you an example of what it is. It's very difficult for me to sell something like this, but I mean, we can take them out. Okay, so now we're going to list these. Again, we're going to scan the FNSKU and scan this QR code with my phone. And we're going to go ahead and get a price for this, and we're going to add it to the total of the box and see where we're at. So the AI should be able to get that image, get the product from that image pretty easily. So it's come back at $14.99. It's got the brand and the item, so I'm going to go ahead and say that that's probably correct. So $6.99 on that for B2 kitchen appliances, and we have 7 of them. So we're going to put 7. Good time of year for this. So that puts us at $165.68 for this box. So far so good. And look how quickly I'm able to list this stuff. It's going to take me about 10 minutes to do 1 box. So we can go ahead and put the price there. Alright, they're all labeled. So now let's go on to the next thing in here. There's 4 of these. One of these party decoration tableware set. Alright, packaging is not great, so let's see what it looks like inside the box. Not great either. So I'm going to price these real cheap, maybe $5 each on those. So we're going to just call it 168 piece party decoration set. The brand is EP Baby, and we have got, I'm just going to put this at $9.99. This is probably retail for $20 at least, so I'm going real cheap on that. Electronics, no, it is in consumables. Wait a minute, what is it? Disposables. Product and disposables, each one. Okay, so we've got 4 of those. Alright, they're all labeled. Now what's next? What is this? Oh, they're cool. They're like little fold out trays. Might actually need them for my store, but we will sell them. So we've got FNSKU. Again, scan the barcode, take a photo of the item. And I'll be curious to see if it finds this. Foldable storage container. Let's see. I'll be pretty impressed. Look at that. Awesome. So $8.99 retail. So I'll take it. So $4.49, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So this is going to work out to be a really nice box. $4.49 organization, yes. So now let's see where we're at. $212 for this 1 box, and look, it's taken me 10 minutes to process this. So yeah, I think it's going to look best probably on the shelf like that. So we're just going to put them like that. Alright, so they're all labeled. Now it's just time to go through all the last scrappy bits. What is this? This is some type of jewelry. Oh nice, they're 14 karat gold. Huh. Probably gold plated. There's no way that's solid gold. But still, not bad. I don't see a stamp on it, so probably just gold plated, and I don't even know if it would be that. We're going to put in 3 jewelry items in here. So these get processed separately in our store. We get a lot of jewelry. And this is, I don't know what it is, so I'm just going in the bins. Bins again are a category. We put things out in the bins every week. The items start at different prices. 1 week when these go out, they'll probably be at like $8, and then the next week it goes down in price, and every week it just drops in price. We do a little bit different to regular bin stores. We don't just price everything at the same rate. We filter all the products through. Some stuff goes on our shelves, some stuff goes on eBay, and some goes in the bins. So this is Camellia Bees Linen, some type of flower gift. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. No, so I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, so this is gonna go out cheap, $2 I think, so I don't want to put it in the bins. So flower gift, I'm gonna put it at reference price, $5. Table decor, get price recommendation, and let's see, it's going to come back at $2.49. Good enough for me. All I'm trying to do is get this product out of here and onto the shelf because I have a lot of it. So here we go, we're going to put this just like that. Might just print another one as well. There we go. Cool. And that's it. That's the end of that box. So total that I should sell the items for is around $230. Took me about 10 minutes to process that. Not a phenomenal box, but not a horrible box either. I'll take a box like that any day.